Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Manus AI, a next-generation autonomous agent that bridges the gap between thinking and doing. No repetitive prompts, no micromanagement, just real results. Stick with me as we explore what makes Manus AI so powerful, whether it lives up to the hype, and whether it is really the future of autonomous AI. Let's get started. Manus AI is an AI agent designed to act on your behalf. You give it a task, be it complex research, planning a trip, creating content, analyzing data, and it executes the job autonomously, step by step, in the background. It's not just a chatbot. Think of it more like a personal assistant that thinks, researches, plans, creates, and then delivers a finished product. And the name Manus, by the way, is Latin for hand. A subtle nod to how it extends your capabilities by turning ideas into action. Now, where it really breaks ground is its level of independence. You don't need to babysit it. Once you provide instructions, it takes over. Planning subtasks, gathering information, building documents, and even presenting data visually. You can walk away, come back later, and you'll have the job done. Use cases range widely, from trip planning and insurance comparisons to sourcing B2B suppliers, crafting educational material, or diving deep into stock analysis. Manus doesn't just give you information, it builds full solutions. Whether you're an individual trying to be more productive, a startup founder looking to scale smarter, or a teacher creating dynamic lesson plans, Manus promises to replace the hours you'd normally spend managing tasks manually. And here's something cool. It shows you how it solved the problem. Every task comes with a repayable breakdown of its logic, sources, and decisions. It is transparent, teachable, and efficient. Now let us talk about the main features of Manus AI. Autonomous task completion. This is a signature ability. You don't interact with it like ChatGPT or Bard, where you have to keep finding prompts. Manus handles full workflows. For example, you say to it, plan a 7-day trip to Japan under $2,000, or analyze my Amazon sales data and give improvement strategies. And boom, it starts researching, compiling, and building your results. Cloud-powered execution. Because tasks run in the cloud, your laptop or phone isn't locked down during processing. Close the tab, turn up the device, Manus keeps working and notifies you when it's done. Replayable task flow. You can see exactly how Manus approached the job, the steps it took, the data it sourced, and how it made decisions. This makes it easy to verify, tweak, or learn from the process. Wide range of use cases. From comparing health insurance policies, conducting in-depth Tesla stock analysis, to even sourcing suppliers for your manufacturing business, Manus adapts to your needs, no matter the complexity or field. Community creations. There's also a community section where users voluntarily share tasks Manus completed for them. You can view full case studies and get inspired by what's possible. Benchmark proven. Manus ranks high on the GAIA benchmark, which is designed to test how well AI agents solve real-world problems. It's holding its own against competitors like OpenAI and Claude. Now let us talk about the pricing. Manus currently operates under a credit-based subscription model. There's a starter plan, which is $39 per month and gives you 3,900 credits per month. And there's the Manus Pro plan at $199 per month, which gives you 19,900 credits per month. Credits are consumed based on task complexity and duration. A simple task may use about 100 to 200 credits, while more complex projects might use over 1,000. What are the pros and cons of using Manus AI? First, the pros. True autonomy. No need to micromanage. It handles tasks from start to finish. Versatile and scalable. It works across dozens of domains. Transparent workflow. You can view exactly how it arrived at results. Cloud-based. You're not tied to your device during processing. How about the cons? It is still evolving. Some tasks may need human touch-ups or fine-tuning, and the premium pricing may be too expensive for casual users or students. So here's the big question to consider. Is Manus AI the future of autonomous agents? In many ways, I'd say yes, because Manus feels like a leap forward in AI usability. It does not just enhance productivity, it redefines it. Instead of acting like a glorified assistant, it behaves more like a coworker that you can delegate to and trust to deliver results. That's a big deal. But we have to be realistic though. It's still in its early days. The invite-only model and premium pricing put it out of reach for many. And while the performance is impressive, it's not yet flawless. It's not quite a set it and forget it dream machine just yet. But as AI evolves, tools like Manus could become foundational. Imagine everyone having access to an intelligent agent that handles research, decisions, and creation without the back and forth. It's not sci-fi anymore, it's here and being built. So if you're someone who juggles lots of tasks, you manage teams, or you just need deep analysis without burning hours, Manus might just be your secret weapon. For everyone else, it's worth watching closely as it develops further. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore ChatGPT, Claude AI, and Agent GPT. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.